Taco's having lots of fun with his new friend. Or rather, he's just discovered that he could mate with it. Unfortunately, Kiri does not let him do the same thing. So sad. This is the first time I've caught him on video. Such naughty acts. He's having lots of fun, isn't he? Wow. And Kiri's just watching. Ooh. Lots of fun rolling around. He didn't get to mate with anyone before, Suddenly he just realized that there's this toy that doesn't fight back. Aww. Let's see. Okay, he doesn't mind me coming closer. In fact, he's having so much fun he doesn't realize I'm coming closer. Okay, he's embarrassed now.